Dear all, this video is purely meant for class 10 students of the ICSE syllabus.
In this video, we will study how to print the prime numbers in an integer array of 10 numbers. So here the file name is prime. Here we have to input 10 numbers. So first we have to declare the array, integer array for 10 numbers. So the data type is int, then array name subscript equal to new int, then 10 numbers we have to give. So this is called declaration of array, declaration. Then next step after declaration, we have to input 10 numbers. Okay, so for that, you know that we have to give the for loop. So before that, we have to print the message system.out.println input array, then give the for loop starting with the 0 to 0, I less than 10, or you can give I less than equal to 9, last position plus plus, then you're inputting the array name subscript I equal to in dot next int. So this is the loop for input. Now we have to find the prime numbers. Okay, from the starting of the array, we need to take each element, then check whether it is prime or not. Okay, so you're starting from the beginning of the array. So before that, you have to print the message system dot out dot print prime numbers, because in this loop we are printing the prime numbers present in the array. Okay, then again give the for loop starting from beginning I equal to 0, then I less than 10, I plus plus, then prime numbers. All of you know how to find the prime numbers. Actually, for prime number only two factors are there. So first loop is for getting the array number. That means when I equal to 0, we will get the first number of the array. Okay, then next loop is for getting the factors. Suppose the first element is in the array is 10, we have to check that number is divisible by the numbers from 1 to that number. So in our loop is giving j equal to 1, then j less than equal to array of I, array of I, then j plus plus. This loop is, suppose this loop is for Suppose the first element is array of I is array of I equal to 19. We have to check how to check 19 whether it is prime or not. It is divisible. The 19 should be divisible by only 1 and 19. No other factors. Only two factors for 19. So first we will divide 19 with 1. Then 19 by 2 is not divisible. Then 19 by 3, etc. till 19 will continue the process. That means the inner loop is for that. We are checking whether the 19 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. So if, how to check, if array of I, it means 19, zeroth position, if it is 19, you have to divide that number with a j to get the factors. If it is divisible, count the factors. So for that I am giving one counter variable to count the factors. Did not declare it. Here we should give declare count equal to 0. Then now inner loop over, so close it. Then the outer loop, I mean after the inner loop, you have to check how many counters, how many factors are there. That means if it is a prime number, only two factors will be there. So here if count equal to 2, count equal to 2, then only we have to print the array numbers, because this is a program to print the prime numbers in the array. If count is equal to 2, then only we are printing the array. So system dot println array of I. Okay. Then before the next iteration, we have to reset the counter, because we are checking, the inner loop is for checking one number whether it is prime or not. Then before the next number we have to reset a count, otherwise it will update with the previous value. So count equal to 0. Okay. Now compile. For loop, outer loop did not close. Okay. So close the outer loop. First loop is for inputting 10 numbers. Then second loop for checking the prime numbers. So first loop, I mean outer loop for getting the each array numbers. Then second loop for the factors. Then condition for getting the factors of the number. Then count is a variable, counter variable to count the number of factors. If it is a prime number, only two factors will be there. Okay. Now let us see the output. Now error. Let us see the output. First you have to enter 10 numbers.
50, 66, 21. So among 10 numbers, 4 prime numbers 13, 23, 3 and 911 are the prime numbers. Okay, hope it is clear.